by their own will they take abortion?
See, a mother by her own would not take such a drastic decision to kill her own child. Most of the times, I would say 99.9% of the times, it would be pressurized either by in-laws or say community or even husbands do pressurize. But I don't think a mother would take any decision such on any.
Afghanistan shows supplement health has brought any change in the mindset of the people or doctors?
Yes, to a certain extent, yes, because see, basically what our community needs is awareness, and if such shows are there, they definitely create some awareness among the people. Although to quite a major extent, even people have come to know about many things which happen around them, but they are really not aware of it. So it's definitely some more things. I think it's more of literate people because they have the knowledge about it. It's more of literate people. Illiterate people, probably because they are not aware of the diagnostic techniques and all these things, they usually don't go in for that. So it's more illiterate people, those who have it.
Sir, my first question is कि criminals जो crime करते हैं, kill करते हैं जो girls को, उनके अगेंस्ट आप मेजर से मेजर क्या एक्शन लें?
उसके मेजर एक्शन ऐसे है कि डायरेक्टली उनको इलीगली अगर उन्होंने एबॉर्शन कराया, इट मीन्स किलिंग। डायरेक्टली अगर बर्थ होने के बाद में उसका मर्डर किया तो दैट इज मर्डर। बट प्रेगनेंसी में अगर उसको एबॉर्शन करते हैं उसको डिफरेंट वे से उसको पनिश किया जाता है। तो ऐसे अनकल्चर्ड स्टेट, अनकल्चर्ड पेरेंट्स जहाँ है वो लड़कियों को इतना बढ़ावा नहीं देते, इस कारण से उनका जो है। और उसमें एक कारण वो भी है कि जो एबॉर्शन करवाते हैं लड़की के बाद में कि लड़के नहीं होना चाहिए फैमिली में करके, वो कारण से और बाकी जो कारण है, इसलिए उनका आगे चल के कुपोषण हो जाता है।
See, there are many laws which are there. One of the first of the laws, which is Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, which is actually making an absolute law, which is made already, that any kind of sex determination along with a termination of pregnancy, that is हम साधारण भाषा में abortion कहते हैं, that should not be done once the fetus is 12 weeks or above. So any kind of action which is done even by a doctor or even by a mother who goes there without proper reasons, as it is mentioned in the law, that is Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, if you do any such kind of abortions which are not permitted, then you can be arrested and put to jail. And the punishments can begin anywhere between 6 months to 3 years or to 7 years, because now we need a comprehensive change of law also. We are still going ahead with the old law, which doesn't make such kind of punishments as a such kinds of offences as a culpable homicide. Technically they should be taken up as a murder, as a culpable homicide, because you are identifying a child that yes, she is a girl child, now let us kill her. If it is a boy, okay, let us allow him to come to this world. So that kind of pointed action of killing a child should actually be made at par with a murder or a homicide, which our law has still not made proper amendments. Actually, the Parliament has to make amendment to the law and make such kind of things more serious of a crime. Now you can get away with it.
What do you think, what measures can be taken to save the girl child?
See, basically, I think that there is only one measure which can be taken. There is no other measure, and that is to sensitize people, to make people aware that having a girl child is just as good as having a boy child. The moment people are sensitized in their mind, you will not need to do anything else. See, basically, even if there are some unscrupulous doctors who are helping people, or supposing there are, some other people who kind of help these people, they don't come to your house and say that, okay, don't have a girl child. It is because people don't want a girl child that they go to the doctors and try getting an abortion done, etc., etc. So basically, unless people don't get that sensitization in their mind, it will not work. Now, the problem is that not all politicians take active steps to ensure that this is implemented. But very recently, as you know, in Maharashtra, it's a politician, that's Supriya Sule, who has taken up the cause. So it's a big thing. She has taken up a very major step. And the Beti Bachao Andolan has taken. So you can't say that the politicians have not done anything at all. We have laws which obviously the politicians have got, but implementation is not there. But and this level of sensitization in politicians is not there. But you see people like Supriya Sule who have done a very big thing for the cause recently.
मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी, जगी धड़कन नहीं, जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी। कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा, अब है सामने, इसे छू लूं जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा, खुशियाँ चूम लूं या रो लूं जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा। और से टूटी पतंग जैसी थी ये जिंदगानी मेरी, आज हूँ कल हो मेरा ना हो, हर दिन थी कहानी मेरी। एक बंधन नया पीछे से अब मुझको बुलाए, आने वाले कल की क्यों फिक्र मुझको सता जाए। एक ऐसी चुभन इस लम्हे